I've got 3 minutes to get my point across. So we're gonna do what's called a chord progression. We're gonna do 3 chords. We're gonna do a C to an F to a G. All right, and I'm gonna put the chord charts over my shoulder. So first chord is C. So look at the chord chart, let's strum C together. Just have fun, play with it, okay? Now let's do F. Here's the F chord chart. And then the G chord chart. All right, so C, again to F, to G, back to C. Now, if you're having trouble putting the strumming and the fret hands together, don't worry, because these have to learn how to work together, all right? So let me show you a quick close-up on the GoPro. So here's the C. So take your strumming hand out of it and just sit on the couch when you're binge watching Netflix or whatever your platform of choice is. But here, look, just go like this. C, F, G. And one of the reasons I'm using my third finger is it's a very efficient movement from C to F and then from F to G. Instead of doing like a first finger like that from C to F, see how much movement that is? That's why we're using our third finger. So C, F, G, and it sounds like this. C, F, G, C. Okay? So, what I want you to do is just practice those chords, and you can practice changing the order. Remember, a chord, the definition of a chord are 3 notes played together at the same time. Some people say 2 notes, but I like to say 3 or more. So in this case, we're strumming all 4 strings of the ukulele, all right? And what's gonna get really exciting about this is I'm gonna totally pivot off of this, and we're gonna start writing our first song, okay? We're gonna kind of co-write it with a group of 2nd graders I'm working with, and it's called the Taco Song. And it's gonna use the chords C, F, and G, all right? So again, C, F, G. Play that for your friends. And don't be afraid too, you can change the order of those chord shapes. Maybe you wanna go G, F, C. So G, F, C. Or what about C, F, G? F, C, G, C. Or F, G, C. So that's pretty much it. So just to wrap it up, the chord C, F, G, try that chord progression first, and then in the next lesson, we'll loop back and we'll see if we can start taking some of these chord progressions and figuring out a good one for what we're gonna do called the Taco Song. You might as well get into writing a song right away, all right? So you're amazing. If you're new to the channel and this content resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you in our community. All right, have a good one. See you in the next video. Peace.